What is the law of attraction? Believe it or not, the law of attraction isn't a complicated magic ritual that requires initiation into an ancient, mystery school or secret order. In fact, the law of attraction is a simple and unchanging universal principle. Think of the law of attraction as gravity. Toss a penny from your roof, it lands on the ground. Try to jump off your couch, you will fall. Gravity is an unchanging law of our universe. Not believing in the law of gravity is not important, stuff will still fall and may break upon landing. But, believing in the law of gravity allows you to predict and expect what will happen. The law of attraction works the same way. Things within our universe have a tendency to migrate toward other like things. We're using the word things here because this law encompasses thoughts, feelings, people, objects and everything else in our universe. It's a universal principle, so it applies to all the things. Like attracts like. Like migrates toward like. In short, what you send out is what you get back. Your frequency determines the reality you will experience. Your vibration of being activates the law of attraction in a specific way, making the things in your life appear a certain way, as a reflection of what you send out. Hence, physical life circumstances are like a mirror, reflecting you. You cannot change the reflection in the mirror without changing yourself. This is the key you really need to understand before you can use the law of attraction positively and deliberately. Simply put, the law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. It is believed that regardless of age, nationality or religious belief, we are all susceptible to the laws which govern the universe, including the law of attraction. It is the law of attraction which uses the power of the mind to translate whatever is in our thoughts and materialize them into reality. In basic terms, all thoughts turn into things eventually. If you focus on negative doom and gloom, you will remain under that cloud. If you focus on positive thoughts and have goals that you aim to achieve, you will find a way to achieve them with massive action. This is why the universe is such an infinitely beautiful place. The law of attraction dictates that whatever can be imagined and held in the mind's eye is achievable if you take action on a plan to get to where you want to be. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is one of life's biggest mysteries. Very few people are fully aware of how much of an impact the law of attraction has on their day-to-day life. Whether we are doing it knowingly or unknowingly, every second of our existence, we are acting as human magnets, sending out our thoughts and emotions and attracting back more of what we have put out. Unfortunately, so many of us still blind to the potential that is locked deep within us. Consequently, it is all too easy to leave your thoughts and emotions unchecked. This sends out the wrong thoughts and attracts more unwanted emotions and events into your life. Having said this, discovering that the law of attraction is at work within your life should be a great cause for celebration. Once the power of attraction has been understood by you, it is no longer. Plus, you have learned how to effectively apply these to your everyday life. Your entire future is yours to create.